Replacement of the electro-hydraulic clutch actuator. The fault code is displayed to help identify the problem. Unbolt and remove the cover. Cut all of the securing zip ties. Disconnect all of the electrical cables. Unscrew all of the bolts holding the electro-hydraulic clutch actuator in place. Remove the faulty electro-hydraulic clutch actuator. Liberally lubricate the ball end of the plunger on the new unit. Mount the new electro-hydraulic clutch actuator while carefully guiding the plunger into the socket. Tighten all bolts to the correct torque setting indicated in the manufacturer's specification. Replace all electrical cables, as they may be a likely cause of failure. Secure all cables with zip ties. Remount and bolt down the cover. Check the fault codes after replacement. The previous fault is now inactive. The fault memory can now be reset. The diagnostic software will initialize the newly replaced component. Now start the engine and check that the gears shift properly. Take the vehicle out for a test drive. The electro-hydraulic clutch actuator, made by FTE Automotive. FTE Automotive. Innovation drives.